Hi, Kate here from hypnosiscourses.com. Today this is a quick video about physical deepeners. Now some of these work better in person, but some of them can just as easily be done online. And we're going to be talking about 4 different types, but more about that in a moment. Let's start with, what are physical deepeners? The answer's sort of in the title. They're where you're physically moving, or they're moving, some part of the client or your volunteer subject's body. And the idea of this is to draw attention to that movement or lack of movement. It's a fabulous way of deepening quite quickly, as you'll see, and it also can lead into other types of work. So if you're doing some fun suggestions about movement, having a physical deepener is a good link to that. If you're doing some therapy work that relates to maybe pain or another condition, then having a physical deepener is a good lead into that as well. Now we're going to cover 4 different categories or types of physical deepener. We've got lightness and contrasting heaviness. We've also then got movement and catalepsy. And Rory from hypnosiscourses.com as well is also very kindly going to step in as our demo model. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start off with a very quick induction whilst Rory's standing up. Luckily, I know that he can maintain his legs strongly beneath him, as though they were made of rigid, solid steel. Let's go with that one, shall we? And then I'm going to demonstrate all 4 of the deepeners, one after the other for you. Now, of course, you may be doing this sitting down. It might be in all sorts of different locations. Some, I guess, you could even do with your client or subject lying down. But for now, just for your ease of viewing, we're going to be using standing up. Can I take that hand, please? Thank you. And may I have that one as well? And sleep. Deeper, 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 deeper. Floating, drifting deeper and deeper. Deeper and deeper. That's good as your legs stay rigidly strong beneath you. Maintaining your balance at all times. That's great, well done. And what I would like you to do is I'd like you to imagine that this arm is starting to become light, so light as though it's filled with helium. And curiously, as that arm starts to go up, getting more and more filled with helium, as though it's being tugged up by 1,000 helium balloons, getting lighter and lighter. As that arm starts to raise, so you go deeper and deeper into hypnosis. That's right, as that arm goes up and up and up, so you go deeper and deeper into hypnosis. That's right, that's good. And it can stop just there. And now, I'd like you to imagine that all of that lightness, all of that helium has just gone away like that. And it's filled now with lead, and it's getting so heavy. The heavier it is, the more it drops, and you go even deeper. That's right. And if I were to pick up that arm, and it's so heavy now, so heavy, when that arm drops down, you're going to go even deeper. That's good. Well done. That's right. And this arm can go back to normal sensation as you go even deeper into hypnosis. That's good, well done. In a moment, I'm going to lift your arm and you're going to engage your imagination. So what I would like you to do now is allow me to lift your arm, and I'd like you to stretch your arm all the way out in front of you. I'd like you now to make a fist. That's right. And I'd like you to lock your arm. Lock your arm as though there's a steel bar all the way here, from your shoulder all the way down, all the way to your fist. Now imagine that that steel bar is getting stronger and thicker and more rigid. So rigid that it simply won't want to move. And in fact, actually, it's so rigid that should I try and bend it, it isn't going to go anywhere. And in fact, in a moment, you're going to try and bend it and find that the simple act of trying is going to take you so much deeper into hypnosis. And you can try and bend it now. That's right, and find that it won't bend at all. And now, in a moment, you're going to take a deep breath, and as you breathe out, that arm can relax, and you'll relax even deeper into hypnosis. Relaxing deeper now. That's good. That's right. And now, finally, I'm going to pop that arm up here once more, and it can just float there, as though it's floating on a cushion of air. So light, just floating there. That's good. And this time, in a moment, that arm is going to descend gradually down to rest by your side, only as quickly as you allow yourself to go even deeper into hypnosis. Even deeper, that's right. Every movement, every millimetre, every centimetre, every inch, representing you going even deeper now. That's good, that's right, well done. That's good. So in a few moments' time, I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and at the count of 5, and only on the count of 5, you'll open your eyes and stretch. All normal, healthy sensations restored to every part of your body, including your entire arm and the hand. So, ready? 1, starting to reorient to the space around you. As 2, you become more alert. 3, take a deep, refreshing breath of air. 4, getting ready to open your eyes. And 5, open your eyes wide awake and have a good stretch. Well done. So there we have it. We have all 4 different types of physical deepener. There are others. I could have showed you gentle rocking from side to side. You may have seen that before. There's many other types of physical deepener. Just remember though, that if you generate any phenomena such as heaviness or lightness or catalepsy, remember to clear that phenomena either within the session, if you need to clear it to allow you to move on to other techniques, or remember to do it right at the end so that your volunteer or your client feels absolutely wonderful at the end.
If you want to learn more about different deepening techniques, we have a whole range of different courses on hypnosiscourses.com that fit the bill, so feel free to check those out. Link is in the description.
But for now, thank you for watching.